Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. Excited to offer you guys, as you'll see in this video, a gorgeous 2005 Jeep Wrangler. First thing you'll note is the beautiful brand new paint job that we just did. Pretty much everything on the exterior is a full restore. New wheels, new tires, those are our DAS wheels, new flares, new front bumper, rear bumper, top, handles, decals, front windshield seal, hood latches, bumpers, windshield wiper arms, full exterior restore, new lights, upgraded front bumper, synthetic winch. After the full disassemble paint job, the panels then get completely wet sanded and buffed for a super nice flat finish in the clear. As you see, perfect reflection, minimal orange peel. When we paint our Wranglers, if you're familiar with them, you know the body lines from the factory do not line up well, and also the metal is very wavy from the factory. So when we're done painting them and putting them back together, they actually look better than what they did just because of the panels. This is very thin metal. It gets wavy over the years, so we spend a lot of time getting these things straight as can be. New bumper, winch, lights, new headlight bezels. Brand new windshield and seal as well. We removed the mirror housings, we refinished those. All the decals are new. We'll get into some of the suspension and steering, but that's all new. Brakes are new. Handles are new. Belt moldings are brand new as well. Top's new. Part of our wet sanding even comes all the way back to the tailgate. Even though you don't see it, we still spend a ton of time. And before we assemble the Jeep with flares and handles, that's when the wet sanding takes place, so that the buffing and sanding goes actually behind anything like tail lights or flares or anything like that. So it's all bare when we do our wet sanding, buffing, and compounding. Jeep was brought all the way down to the original metal. We also have new seals. So the paint, we do the back side of the doors on this particular Jeep, door jambs. That way you don't have any tape lines. Once again, look how straight that body is. All the panels line up perfectly. Jeep's a little bit dirty underneath just for putting some miles on it, but literally all the suspension and steering is new. You have a brand new tie rod bar up front. Both tie rod ends are new. Rubicon Express forged adjustable track bar. Your drag link bar with sleeve and ends are brand new. Steering stabilizer is new. Your coils, your shocks, your bump stops are all new. We also have new rotors, calipers, pads. Front axle was dropped off of the Jeep, media blasted, recoated. Differentials, both front and rear, opened up, cleaned out, serviced, inspected, synthetic fluid back in it. Same thing with the transfer case. Your control arms are new hardware on those as well. And then in the back of the Jeep, same thing was done with the differential, and we have new control arms in the back, new track bar in the back, coils, shocks, and bump stops as well. Service-wise on the engine, rear main seal, valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket. We also did a radiator, water pump, thermostat, housing, a couple other things. Make sure to check out the website for a full listing on everything we did. All new bolts for all the control arms that are new. We did a transfer case drop down kit as well. Those are our exclusive DAS fuel wheels that we teamed up with Fuel. It's a Rebel for this lug pattern, this cut. It's our very own wheel that we did with them. Inside's nice and clean. We did a bed rug carpet throughout the entire inside. We have nice new seat covers. Upgraded sound system, all brand new speakers, brand new Alpine unit that we just installed as well. So we do have to put it on the alignment rack and torque a couple things on it, so we're not going to do a test drive, but as always, DAS Jeep is going to drive absolutely as perfect as you're going to get out there. A couple little small things we still have to do. We have to install the mirror on the inside, shift knob, just a couple small things, but overall the Jeep is finished. We'll get it aligned, get it off to Virginia State Inspection, and she will be ready to go. If there's anything you want to add to this Jeep, whether it's side steps, maybe change the wheels out, just please let us know. If you want to add some accessories, obviously we're just in the detail portion of our shop here at DAS, but this is what we do. So just give us a call, let us know. 855-XJ Jeeps, that's 855-955-3377. Thank you.